So finally, this is the face behind BMW Ignite. मैं हूं प्रतीश and I create cinematic automotive experiences. Today, BMW M440i xDrive Convertible. Let's get into it.
The open sky meets uncompromised performance. Welcome back to BMW Ignite, where today we are checking out the stunning BMW M440i xDrive Convertible. Draped in its striking Portimao blue metallic hero launch color, this two-door luxury performance petrol convertible originally launched globally in 2021 for $66,000. Now, it officially arrives in India for May 2026 at an ex-showroom. Price of 1.09 crore rupees. Experience the pure freedom of driving. The side profile shows a clean coupe silhouette that defines its stance. The convertible's soft top drops down smoothly to change the entire look. Bright daylight hits the deep green paint and highlights the sharp body lines. The mechanisms move with absolute fluid motion as the roof folds away completely. The large 19-inch alloy wheels anchor the low stance of this machine. Wide performance tires wrap the rims to promise serious grip on the tarmac. Up front, the sharp front fascia points low toward the ground ahead. Laser tail lights add a highly modern touch to the clean rear deck. Balanced proportions create a strong presence front to back. Projector LED headlights slice the darkness. The dark green paint catches every reflection. Sharp body lines flow smoothly down the side. A wide kidney grille dominates the front fascia. Black trim frames the low aggressive stance. The soft top raises and locks in place. Multi-spoke 19-inch wheels fill the arches. Low-profile performance tires grip the clean asphalt. A pure expression of design and power that holds its presence with calm and steady flow throughout and continues to settle with a smooth and balanced finish. Bright sunlight hits the dark green paint. The rear deck tilts backwards slowly. A black convertible soft top folds out smoothly. Fabric stretches clean over the coupe silhouette. The top locks down into the front frame. Sharp projector LED headlights reflect the view. The massive kidney grille cuts the air. Wide performance tires grip the clean ground. This machine changes shape in seconds to let the open sky right in and slowly settles into a calm open flow that feels smooth and natural throughout the entire motion. The fabric roof folds back to reveal clean coupe lines. Light hits the paint as reflections shift across the side. Clean body surfaces hold a smooth flowing shape. Dark accents trace the edges with subtle contrast. A strong front profile builds a clear visual focus. Motion flows forward with a calm, steady rhythm. Projector LED headlights cast a clean, bright signature. Multi-spoke 19-inch alloy wheels ground the stance. This sleek convertible form settles into a smooth final flow with a calm, steady finish. Low sun hits the deep green paint surface. Sharp reflections move clean across the side panels. Smooth body lines flow tight along the door. The side profile holds a clean, sharp visual focus. The fabric roof folds back with smooth motion. Clean form shifts as the roof locks into place. Multi-spoke 19-inch alloy wheels hold the stance. Wide performance tires press firm with strong grip. This sleek form settles into a smooth final flow with a calm, steady finish that holds its presence gently and consistently. The deep green metallic surface catches the soft daylight. The sleek rear deck displays clean, modern branding. A sharp body line runs smoothly across the back. The convertible fabric roof sits tightly in place. The clean premium paint reflects the quiet water. A low, wide stance gives it pure road presence. The dual exhaust outlets frame the lower bumper. A smooth motorized motion folds the soft top away. The ultimate open-top luxury form stands completely revealed with a calm, steady presence that continues to hold attention smoothly and effortlessly. Dark green premium paint catches the morning light. Sharp body lines run down the side flank. The fabric soft top lowers down smoothly now. Clean coupe lines define this open silhouette here. The massive signature kidney grille dominates the face. Sharp front fascia styling creates a bold stance. Bright projector LED headlights cut through the air. Large multi-spoke alloy wheels anchor the low frame. Low-profile performance tires grip the clean asphalt with a firm, steady hold that keeps the stance planted and controlled throughout the entire motion. Deep green paint catches the soft evening light. Sculpted lines trace across the wide front hood. Vertical kidney grille demands a bold road presence. Sharp projector LED headlights pierce through the open air. Bright daytime running lights showcase a modern signature. Multi-spoke light alloy wheels complement the low stance. Low-profile performance tires wrap around clean rims. Fabric convertible roof stays down near the open water. Premium metallic surface reflects a calm lakeside horizon with a soft flowing shimmer that moves gently across the body and holds a smooth, steady visual presence. A deep green paint surface shines brightly under the sunlight. Sleek body lines give the front section a very sharp look. Projector LED headlights at the front add an aggressive presence. From the side profile, the convertible body reveals a new form. The premium tan interior is clearly visible with the top open. A black wind deflector sits neatly behind the seats and frame. The mesh mechanism that blocks airflow is now fully deployed. Its low-profile cabin design looks stunning under the open sky. This premium luxury car looks absolutely impressive from every angle. The dark surface reflects the evening light with clean precision. The sharp body lines stretch smoothly along the side profile. A low convertible form sits gracefully beside the still water. The fabric roof mechanism remains completely open to the sky. Multi-spoke alloy wheels complement the premium paint finish perfectly. The side view showcases a sleek and low-profile setup. The premium paint surface catches the final fading daylight beautifully. The interior ambient lighting glows steadily as night falls over the lake. The digital dashboard and widescreen console light up the dark cabin. A flawless silhouette curves seamlessly into a sharp, athletic fascia. The striking green premium paint catches every reflection perfectly. Its convertible fabric roof lowers to expose a pristine interior. A clean profile highlights the elegant, sculpted coupe lines. Multi-spoke 19-inch alloy wheels dominate the lower stance. Low-profile wide performance tires anchor it to the tarmac. Every sharp body line builds an unmatched presence here. Engineering excellence creates a truly captivating open-top experience that feels effortlessly refined. The fabric roof folds down to reveal a flawless cabin. Sunlight catches the deep green paint and sharp body lines. The signature kidney grille commands the entire front fascia. Laser tail lights slice through the open horizon. Multi-spoke 19-inch alloy wheels grip the tarmac perfectly. Low-profile performance tires are ready for every sharp turn. This convertible setup transforms your relationship with the open road. Experience pure driving freedom with uncompromised engineering excellence that flows with calm precision and control. The morning light reflects softly across the smooth open water. Clean reflections trace along the sculpted lines of the hood. The sharp lines flow seamlessly toward the driver-focused cabin. A wide curved dual display commands the front dashboard. The premium cream leather surfaces catch the early morning sun. Subtle ambient cabin lighting defines the modern interior layout. This flawless cockpit design puts total control in your hands. Experience a sophisticated drive shaped entirely around your vision with smooth control and calm flowing precision. The leather cabin catches the morning sun with pristine clarity. A dual curved display rises seamlessly above the dashboard. The driver-focused cockpit curves naturally toward your every command. Crisp digital interfaces stand ready to elevate the entire drive. Polished interior surfaces reflect a sharp sense of modern luxury. Soft ambient cabin lighting begins to trace the door lines. Intelligent voice assistant control shifts the atmosphere with a word. This digital key system unlocks a whole new performance era with seamless access and instant responsive control. Ambient lighting traces the contours of a driver-focused cockpit layout. Digital key system activates the massive curved dual display smoothly. Sculpted leather wraps around a clean and minimalist console. The wheel stance commands absolute control on the asphalt. Metallic details catch the sun across the premium dash. Every surface is shaped to enhance the driving experience. Advanced voice assistant control listens to your every command. The journey elevates into pure performance with every mile, delivered with smooth and steady confidence throughout. Sculpted leather seats contour perfectly to embrace every curve. The headrest reveals a hidden, integrated mesh air vent. An electric mechanism glides the front frame smoothly forward. This gentle shift opens effortless access to the rear. The tailored tailgate unlatches and lifts toward the sky. Deep trunk contours expand to swallow your luxury cargo. A moving partition adjusts to secure your hidden luggage. Intuitive design elevates convenience to a pure art form. A subtle latch releases the rear seat back. The premium leather surface folds flat effortlessly. A dedicated pass-through opens up the cargo layout. Clean contours reveal practical storage inside the cabin. The mechanism returns smoothly to its upright lock. An integrated armrest lowers to reveal cup holders. Crafted details define the spacious interior experience. Intuitive design shapes a perfectly balanced modern space. Sunlight cuts across the deep green metallic paintwork with a smooth reflection. A sharp shadow traces the low-profile silhouette with clean movement. The wide front grille holds a bold and grounded presence ahead. Acceleration pushes the chassis through the sweeping curve with strong motion. An 8-speed sport transmission snaps gears with a crisp response. High performance and sport brakes grip tight with firm control. Dynamic power surges forward into a long straight with steady force. The convertible moves ahead smoothly as speed builds with a clean rhythm. The horizon pulls this machine forward with effortless pace and a smooth finish. A green metallic body gleams under the bright sun. The canvas roof folds back into the rear deck. A sleek shadow glides across the winding tarmac road. The sports car accelerates smoothly toward the hill peak. An inline 6-turbo engine delivers immediate power output. Power flows through an 8-speed automatic sports transmission. The adaptive M suspension keeps the chassis perfectly level. The xDrive all-wheel drive system maintains maximum cornering grip. The modern convertible disappears steadily over the crest of the hill. Green metallic paint reflects the soft morning sunlight beautifully. Sharp front design details command absolute road presence instantly. Strong lines define the classic sporty drop-top profile. Power flows steadily from the massive inline 6-turbo engine. Advanced xDrive AWD system maintains flawless traction through corners. Adaptive M suspension balances the chassis movements perfectly now. The roof folds down smoothly, revealing a luxury cabin. For-seater luxury layout redefines open-air, high-performance driving. Pure engineering brilliance meets clean visual perfection here. Sunlight cuts across the deep green metallic paint smoothly. Golden rays shift across the wide kidney grille structure. Aerodynamic body contours curve over the open cabin architecture. The inline 6-turbo engine surges with instant power. An advanced xDrive AWD system maintains absolute tarmac grip. Intelligent M Sport differential maximizes power transfer out back. The driver steadily accelerates through the winding country asphalt bends. For bright LED headlights illuminate the open road ahead with precision. The convertible form tracks a clean line into distance. The variable sport steering smoothly guides the sharp front. Bright daylight reflects across the deep metallic green hood. Aggressive kidney grilles command the open country road ahead. An inline 6-turbo engine gradually unleashes raw power. Exhaust notes echo cleanly through the dense pine forest. The xDrive AWD system maintains absolute grip on asphalt. 8-speed sport transmission delivers instant and seamless gear shifts. Aerodynamic side mirrors catch the fast-moving horizon behind. Sculpted character lines define this ultimate driving machine today. Sunlight cuts across the bold metallic green paint cleanly. Asphalt shifts beneath the forward gaze of the car. The massive kidney grille dominates the striking front view. Open-air styling redefines freedom on the open road. The 48 volts hybrid boost delivers instant and smooth acceleration. Massive M Sport brakes flash behind the spinning spokes. The road winds steadily through the quiet countryside ahead. The convertible silhouette carves through the air with absolute precision. The flawless driving machine disappears down the endless highway into the distance. The dark green convertible glides gracefully along the curved country road. Sunlight cuts across the bold front grille and sleek headlights. The open top reveals a premium cream leather interior. It transitions smoothly into the next sweeping corner. The dual exhaust and sharp taillights command the road from behind. accelerating steadily into the sunlit straightaway. Trees blur past as the stance holds firm and low. The sleek machine cuts through the crisp morning air. It disappears gracefully into the distant winding forest lane with a calm and steady retreat into the horizon. The open sky meets a cabin of absolute focus. Sunlight bathes the immaculate leather contours in pure warmth. A masterfully crafted wheel commands the road ahead. Every stitch reflects a heritage of uncompromising performance. The legendary badge anchors your passion for the drive. An elegant sill plate welcomes you into the cockpit. Your thumb presses the ignition to awaken the beast. The details reveal a level of precision crafted with intent. Every element comes together with a calm and steady presence. This is where true automotive identity quietly defines itself.
The road ends, but the drive never stops. BMW M440i xDrive Convertible. Drive the edge. In my opinion, this is built for drivers who want real control. Would you drive it daily or push it to the limit? Comment below and subscribe for more cinematic drives.